President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's initiative for the resettlement of victims of banditry in the Northwest. This is a practical leader. He approved 51 billion naira, which was released by the Honorable Minister of Finance, and we are going to provide livelihoods, educational facilities, clinics, veterinary clinics for the victims of banditry in the Northwest. And for the purpose of political inclusivity, the President said Shetima, Pig Benue, and Niger states. And we are going to build homes, create opportunities, invest in education, because education is the greatest game changer. Within a generation, the son of a peasant can be a celebrated icon. I am the son of a Quranic scholar. I am a first generation graduate from my family. And as Alexander Pope said, drink deep or touch not the Western spring. We are going to provide the best of opportunities. We'll use Cayenne technology to power those schools and see that we break that poverty chain, intergenerational transfer of poverty. This is our soft approach, the non-kinetic response to the problems in the Northwest. Because unless we want to engage in an endless war of attrition, we have to combine the kinetic and the non-kinetic solution to our problems. Because beneath the mayhem of Boko Haram and banditry, underneath the nihilism of kidnapping and banditry lies the real cause, which is extreme poverty. Once we address this issue of extreme poverty and destitution, this madness will evaporate. And this is a young nation. I want to reiterate. Average age, 16.9. A young, hungry, angry man is a dangerous animal, vulnerable to the antics of religious demagogues and extremist elements.